Hey y'all, it's Kathy Bow. I'm your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I want to share with you a couple of things. First of all, these are the absolute first moments I've been able to use this hand on my desk. I've been in physical therapy for 5 weeks. I had major surgery on my shoulder over here for rotator cuff tear. Tendons were torn, and my bicep was kind of hanging by a thread. Anyway, so the doctor went in there, he put a bunch of screws in there, and I've been in physical therapy in a sling. And these are the first moments, y'all. I'm so excited. And yes, I can move my hand. It's not just dead, but it's swollen, so please excuse all that, okay? And I may have to lift it up and move it out of the way. So I just wanted to celebrate this moment by sharing with you the April paper pumpkin. And I'm going to show you the box now. It's called My Wonderful Family, April 2020. Maybe I need to go this way. I don't know. And here we go. And yes, I've already opened it because there's not going to be any opening with this hand at all. Okay, so of course, you know, we have the blue paper, the blue, right, right there that they always wrap it in, and that's so sweet. And we have a preview of the May paper pumpkin, and that is this Just Add in color. We've never had this before, you guys, and this kit will feature the in colors. So I don't know what color ink we're getting with it, but we're definitely going to have the kit in all the new in colors that are coming on June, I believe it's June 2nd. Okay, so you need to subscribe to this kit. Go to kathybow.stampinup.net, pick Paper Pumpkin, and be sure and name me as your demonstrator, please. I'm working so hard on this and hoping that that you guys will subscribe with me. Okay, and when you subscribe with me, not only do you get this kit in the mail every month, a new kit in the mail, not this one, but when you subscribe, you get every single thing you need to make whatever is in the kit. And you will also be invited to join my Kathy Bow's Pumpkin Heads on Facebook, which is where I share little things during the month. If I come across some really neat alternative projects, then I would share those. And of course, you also get to see my videos, whether you subscribe or not, right here on this channel for my paper pumpkin release, as well as my alternative projects. This month, I may or may not get to the alternatives, but hopefully with hand number 2, I'll be able to. So this is the kit this month. It's so sweet. Got a little, to me, it's a little family tree kind of thing. But I'll show you what all's in it. And with every paper pumpkin, of course, you get plenty of instructions. And they're in pictures as well as detailed instructions. You get a list of the things your kit includes and some ideas that you can do more with the kit. Okay, so with every paper pumpkin, now your first one you're going to get a block, and you use that block for every time. But in every paper pumpkin, you're going to get some sort of adhesive. In this one, we got the miniature Stampin' Dimensionals. I hope you can see those. I'll see if I can. Here we go. See how teeny they are? Aren't they cute? And we have what I call glue dots. They're glue on the back, and when you peel off this top layer, this top piece of little dot paper, there's glue there. So it's just a dot that's glue, and I call it glue dots. And we get a little bling this time. Let me get something under it so you can see the colors really well. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I love these colors. Okay, and we also get an ink pad. This one is Pear Pizzazz. I love this color, y'all. I use it for so many things. And we're going to get envelopes. And always, when you get your envelopes, take a minute and look at them. Look how pretty. I mean, really? That is so pretty. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and 4 of the darker green. Now, I would call this Mossy Meadow. Let's see how close I am. Let's see. Okay, this one is Mint Macaron, and this one is Shaded Spruce. Oh, well, I was close. Okay, and those new in colors, oh my goodness, y'all, I can't wait to see. Okay, these are some of the little panels that are gonna go on the cards, and I've already seen a few alternative projects that are gonna be great. Let's see. This one is used behind this. Okay, and here are some of the cards. This is going to be a Z-fold, like this. Not quite sure how that's going to go, but we'll figure that out as I get further into the card. Or does it go this way? No, I think it goes this way. Or, now that looks like that should go that way to me. Maybe I folded it wrong the first time I played with it. I think it goes like that, y'all, because look, see this? Yeah. Can you hear the thunder? We have got some serious weather coming in. Okay, so those are the Z-fold cards. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And oh, come on now. Let's see if we got the other cards. Here we go. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. Okay, these are kind of Z-folds also, but not really. These are like a Matchbox card. You know how a Matchbox would do like that? So there's a lot of ideas here that I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of a belly band. I'm thinking of a lot of things on this. And this one is where the tree would go. Oh, where did I put the stamps, y'all? Huh. Okay, here's the little birdies. The little birds. I know one's missing because he just punched out. Let me put him right here so you can see him. Little birds. And little butterflies. All right, and these are the little banner type things you're going to stamp. I'll get the stamps in a minute. And these, I don't know if you can see them very well, but there's 2 sheets of this little leaf motif. And then you see the tree right there? All right, that is going to come from this. And there's 2 sheets of this. Laser cut little trees there. Here are some more little labels. Stamps have to, yes, here's the stamps. We've got a little lace, not lace, ribbon. Let's see where we're going to use ribbon. Oh, just a little pieces right there. Right there. Okay, and I'll show you the stamps. Okay, there's that tree and a little tree trunk if you want to use it for something. You can use that later. The sentiments say Happy Mother's Day and mom, son, brother, daughter, dad, sister. And we've got little butterflies here. We've got leaves right here. The other sentiments say family, where life begins and love never ends. Happy Father's Day, and of course the Happy Mother's Day I said earlier, and I'll always be here for you. Okay, so that is the April Paper Pumpkin set. It is called My Wonderful Family. I am celebrating with my arm out of the sling for just a little while and getting it moving again. It's slow, but it is sure. Every single day, physical therapy, and my husband is an angel, y'all. He's been just taking such good care of me. So hopefully, hey, I might be back in here in 2 weeks just cutting away and doing all my things. Okay, so thanks so much. God bless. And keep an eye out for my alternative projects in the event I get to do them. If you would, subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications when I go live, okay? All right, God bless. Toodles.